what's going on YouTube? P City Smitty here. I got two of my grandbabies with me today. They wanted to come out and fish, so here we are. We're gonna give it a shot, try for some channel cats. So I got Layla here. Some of you met her last night. And Griffin, him too. Say hi, Griffin.
Hi.
So we're gonna see if we can catch us some catfish.
Yeah, catfish.
So
I want to catch it with the net, so I can chop his head off.
Griffin wants to catch it with a net, chop his head off. Show him your weapons. Griffin came prepared for battle. If we run into a shark or something, we're good.
So we have a chainsaw. I'm gonna chainsaw.
So this ought to be interesting at least. So anyway.
We have a crowbar and we have.
Stay tuned. Look. I think we got a bite already. Look.
We got something. Guys, I think we got something.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Who wants it? Who wants to reel it in?
I will.
Go ahead.
I will.
Hey, hold it up here. Hold it up here. That didn't take long.
Shoot. Get it. Yeah. Whoa.
Get him, Lay.
It's reeling. Whoa. Yeah, Lay.
Reel him up.
It's hard.
It is hard.
Yeah.
Put your other hand up here. Yeah, there you go. He's fighting. He is fighting.
Oh, he's fighting me.
He's fighting hard.
He's tough.
Look at him, Googie.
What?
Look at him. He's coming up. Look.
I can see him. He's right there.
You see him? Get the net.
I'm terrified.
Whoa!
What?
Look at him.
Is it a bass?
No, it's not a bass.
Oh, shoot. I need to get the net. That's a catfish!
Mr. Catfish!
Woo!
How about that? That didn't take long, did it?
That's creepy. Literally 1 second, guys, and we caught a catfish.
I told you, look, there's more swimming under the boat. Holy cow. Yeah.
That baby's as big as that.
Yeah, you want to touch it? Good. Remember what I told you, this thing here has a little thing, but he actually has a soft hole, but these things here can poke you, and these here can poke you. That's why Poppy holds them like that.
Will he bite me?
No, he can't bite you.
He has no. Oh my gosh, he's really slimy.
He's slimy, yeah. Very
Grab
slimy.
touch him. Grab a knife. No, touch him. You have blood in your hand.
That's all right. That's from the hook. You guys don't want to hold him?
I would. Get a knife. Cut him up. Well, no, I don't want to hold him, but I do want to hold it on that. Grab a knife, Pop. Grab a knife. Grab a knife.
We gotta watch. Make sure we don't catch one on the other line. We only got one line
out.
out.
I think we got something in both.
There we go.
Oh, we got something. Oh shoot.
Look at that.
He's whacking his tail.
Yeah, hold that. Hold it up to the camera. Say first one.
First one. I'm terrified of fish. Don't. I'm terrified of fish.
All right, fish number one.
I hate fish.
This is the spot I wanted to fish that Glizzy tournament in. I really could have maybe kept up with no real loss in them, but I don't know.
Another fish. Oh, in the water, we got more fish.
This is a good spot for channels.
We got more fish.
Oh, let go, buddy.
Hey.
Let go, buddy.
Come on, go up.
There he goes. Bye-bye.
Okay, so I caught my first fish, so that means I might get
Ribbon's next.
That was pretty big. I want to try.
Okay.
It's my turn.
Yeah, you get the next one, okay? You got to watch.
Okay, so my poppy, he's luring in the shrimp. I think there's one. Guys, so it's shrimp because we couldn't find no worms in the store that we were finding bait. So let's see if Griffin can catch any. I feel like we already got some.
You gotta watch for it to wiggle.
Okay, let's check out my nails though. Papa, there's fish! There's like 6 of them under the boat!
Yes.
There's like 6 of them, look! Oh yeah, there's big ones.
They come eat, right?
Oh God, did you know we caught a basketball in the water? Yeah. I saw it. Wait! Trash ice cream!
Oh, that's bad. People throw their trash, ain't it?
Oh, we hate trash, guys.
Yep, we hate trash. You're right, lad.
Give us a like and subscribe if you don't like trash in the water.
Yeah, we're getting a bite.
We got a bite.
Look. Whose turn is it?
Griffin. Mine.
Okay. Hold the pole. Reel him in.
God, I'm gonna eat some chips.
Reel him in.
Real. Oh, he's fighting.
Whoa, he is fighting.
I'm straight.
Oh, he's pulling hard. That's right. Team up.
Die.
Team up.
Die. Catch him. He's giant, Lay. He's a giant.
When they're biting here, you can't even hardly keep poles in the water.
Come on.
If I could have fished here in that glizzy, I could have made some noise, I'm telling you. I gotta check and see what the signal's like here. Maybe I can do a live here.
Oh, we got some more fish. I got more.
Great.
I got more, Pop. I think there's two on the pole.
Keep going. There might be two in there?
Yeah, there might be two. They're fighting
Keep
good.
reeling. They're fighting good? All right.
Oh, yeah, they're fighting.
Good job.
Die, fish. I'm going to
Whoa.
cut you in half. Oh, he's right at the boat.
He's right at the boat.
Oh,
Here he is.
Oh,
Let me
there
see.
he is.
Whoa. Oh, and he has our other line too, but that's all right.
You ready? Pop,
Woo.
I'm going to hit him in the throat. Let me hit him in the throat. Let me hit him in the throat. Let me hit him in the throat.
Easy, Groogie.
Is that Glizzy? Let me hit him. Let me hit him. Let me hit him. Well, we got another catfish. Yes. Let me hit him. Let me hit him. No. Let me hit him. No.
He's our friend. Just pretend. Just pretend. Bang! All right, there's another one.
Woo! Juice on it now. Okay, big boy, now Pop's turn. More fish under the water, Pop. There's like 100 of them.
Yeah.
Now Pop's turn. Let's see.
There's 100 of them. There's 100 of them, right?
Hey, while we're waiting, I'm gonna eat some snacks.
That's mine.
Oh,
That's mine.
Groogie, there's your water. Do you want your water?
I'm gonna take a drink of this.
All right.
I think we got a bite.
Yeah, you watch the poles, okay?
Well, I'm watching. Oh, we got a bite.
Yup. Right.
Yup, I think we got a bite.
Okay, let's keep watching.
I'm gonna hit him in the neck
See
with
the pole.
another.
You see the pole doing that? That means the fish is on it.
Wait, I'm driving, okay? Yep, there's a lot, Poppy.
I'm gonna put some glizzy on this one. It's a Slim Jim.
Yeah, guys, if you like fishing, give us a like and subscribe. And
There you go, Larry. Thank you.
And if you also don't like trash in the water, click that notification bell.
There you go. Good girl.
No.
Okay.
Where's my Dorito?
See, even he does it.
You got
Subscribe to his own
you got
channel.
Doritos too, Groogie. In here.
Yeah, of course I have to do it.
Right
So
on the pole.
if I do it, you gotta do it. So go ahead, do it now.
John Cena! Ow.
I guess that's recording. Okay. Here you go, Groogie. You want your Doritos?
Here. I'm gonna go drive more.
Okay.
See, Poppy? Ow. I got a knife back here.
Poppy.
Yeah.
If we see one moving, it's your turn.
Okay, my turn. I get to catch the next one. Yay!
Yep, and then I get to catch, and then after him, it's my turn. Man, I can't believe I caught a fish in 1 second.
Yeah, quick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to do it live here or not. There's only 3 bars.
Wait, there's a Dorito one right there. It's not mine though.
Oh, it ain't yours. That was a good catch though. Yeah, if we could catch it, we would, but it's too far.
Right there. It's right there.
Yeah, it's too far to reach.
Got a big
Uh-oh,
bite.
there's another one. We got 2 maybe.
Oh shoot. Look at this side. I'm getting it,
one.
I'm getting it,
Risky,
Layla, I'm
okay.
getting it, I'm getting it. Oh yeah, bite.
Wow.
There's a giant one, Pop.
Which one? Yeah, this guy's frisky.
I'm going the way that he's going.
Come here, Mr. Catfish. He's frisky.
Whoa! Big
Yeah.
boy!
Yeah.
Let me get the crowbar and hit him in the neck.
They're getting a little bigger. He's probably 3 pounds.
Throw him back in the water.
Oh, we might have another one on the outside pole.
Oh shoot.
That's mine.
That's Layla's turn. You're next. Oh, look at this guy. Oh. He's on there, yeah. Whose turn? Griff?
That's Griffin.
You want this one?
Yeah, I can roll it in.
Here, reel it.
This is mine. Pop, this
Leave it in
one's
there.
mine.
Reel. Go ahead, reel.
Let me chop it. Baby's neck off. Let's go. I'm fighting him. I'm fighting him better. I'm way better than fighting.
They're getting him.
I'm getting him, Pop. I'm getting him. I'm probably gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him.
He is tough. He's fighting.
I'm gonna kill him.
He doesn't want to come get on our boat. You believe it?
Oh yeah, he's coming. He's staying. Wait. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's trying to get that bait. Oh, he's strong. He's strong.
He is strong, isn't he? Look at him.
Wait, help me.
He's ready.
Help.
Crazy. Look at him.
Get him, Mike.
Hey,
Like, get him, yeah.
There he is. All right. Here, let me lift him in.
Yeah.
Lift him in.
I just caught a big guy.
Fourth
Look at him.
or third one of the day.
Number 4,
That's
yeah.
the biggest one.
He's dark too. Look how
I catched him.
5 ounces probably.
he's been down to the bottom. Listen to him. Listen to him talk. Hear him? You want to touch him? Yeah, touch him. Yeah. Slimy, huh? Touch him. Just touch. One little touch.
He's actually real good.
He's real soft.
He
One
feels
touch.
like slime.
Okay.
Like the Play-Doh. He feels like Play-Doh. I'm gonna touch him again.
They're all in the water.
Oh, he's bleeding. He's bleeding. Be all right. All right, guys.
Bye, microfishy.
Goodbye, Mr. Catfish. You were fighting, wasn't
He was fucking.
Yeah, guys. This is what I learned from my dad. So my dad said, so when you're like somewhere like close to where you park, that's like where the little fish is. But where you go like farther and farther and farther,
Yep.
that's where the huge fish
Big
are hiding.
fish.
And right now we're like actually like far.
No,
so
Griffin, leave it out there.
So we're gonna catch.
Wait
We're
till I
gonna
tell you.
catch some.
We're gonna try to catch a big one here. There you go. There you go. Keep reeling. Don't let up. That's when the hook pops out. We got one, Groogie. There you go, little one. Hey, look how little. Okay, that's good. Look how
Let me
little.
see. Let me see.
That's
Let
why
me
he
see.
popped off. Look at that. Little guy. Yep, little guy.
Oh my god, I heard him.
Yeah, hear him?
I touched him. I touched him.
Number 5.
I touched him.
Sure. Yeah.
I'm waiting for one pop. Oh, this time it's like that. Not that pop.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, pop! He's gonna get on mine. He's gonna get on
Oh,
mine.
that'd be great, wouldn't it? That
Oh,
would be
shoot!
great.
Watch out, Leg! Watch out! Watch out! I'm gonna get one. Oh, that was perfect. Perfect.
Griffin, don't run in it.
He almost got it. He almost got it. He almost got it.
Griffin,
Let me
be patient.
Let me
Not
get him.
patient
Let
at
me get
all.
him. Let me get him.
And throw.
Big bait on there now. Big bait for big fish. Right?
Pop, I almost got one.
All right, keep working, dude. Ouch. Lay, number 4. Woo, that's a good one. Get him, Lay. Reel.
Too heavy.
That's a good one.
Oh,
Reel.
Pop, I almost got one. I almost got one.
You can get it. Hold on, Lay. Go ahead, get him. That's a good one.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
That is the biggest one of the day. Here, hold on. Let me move it over here. Come on, you got him. You did it.
Woo!
There you go. Get him.
Get him, Leg. Get him.
That's a good one, Lay. That's the biggest one of the day. He's fighting. Look at him back there. Yeah, he's fighting.
Oh, he's back.
Get him. Get him, Lay.
Pop, I'm trying to get one.
Hold on, Lay. Let me get this pole out of the way. There you go. There you go, Lay. Get him. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Help me.
You got it. You don't need help. Look at him. Look at him run, baby. Look at him go, baby. Get him.
I almost got one, Pop.
All right, keep working, Groovy. Work, ain't it, Lay? Hard work. Good job. You got it. You can do it. You're doing it. You get him. You get him all the way in. I'm going to net him. This is big enough to net. Okay? Get him. You get him. I'm going to net him.
I'm up. He's up.
Yep. You get. Look at him. Woo! Little more. Little more. Yeah! In the boat. Woohoo! Look at him, Lay.
Oh, Woo!
That's a good one
He
there, Lay.
has got to be like
Look at
18
him.
pounds. He has,
Huh?
no,
He big,
he's
ain't
got to
he?
be like 18.
Huh?
He's got to be like 18 pounds. No, don't let him get out.
He ain't getting out. He's fine. He's tired. Look at him.
Kill him.
He's like, no, Griffin. He's like, Layla caught me. Caught me good.
I want to keep him.
You want to keep him? Take him home, put him in the aquarium?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
I caught a fish. That's
A giant.
That looks like a monster.
That's a good one.
My hands are like burning.
Yeah, he's tired for that big fight.
Oh, so wet.
All right. Look at him.
Oh, he's so big! He's trying to get out of your hands, Pop.
All right. Easy grip. You got it all the way in. Good
I'm
one,
so
Lay.
happy I caught the biggest one.
Keep your eye on the poles, Lay, in case we get another one. Okay? But yeah, he's...
Let's keep him.
Yeah, we're going way in.
Show the camera.
Oops. Yeah, he was pulling hard, wasn't he, Lay? All right.
Alrighty.
7.78. We're gonna call him 8 pounds. I hope that's recording.
Everybody
Yeah, it's
clap.
recording. Yeah, yay! You wanna hold him, Lay?
Yeah,
With
he's
this?
gonna be heavy. Could you help
No,
me?
yeah, you got it. He's not that heavy. No, he won't hurt you.
I know.
Hold him tight. Hold him up. Say yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 8 pounds. All right, good one. All right, I'll let him go.
No, keep him.
No, we're not keeping him. Yeah, he's a
He's
a dark one of them gold ones. Yeah, we got pictures off the. All right, Mr. Catfish, thank you. Thanks for fighting with Layla so hard. See, now you gotta let him get his breath, and then watch he'll start swimming. See his tail starting to move. Then he's like, okay, I'm out of here. So he'll get bigger, and we'll catch you next time. And he'll be bigger. Right in the camera. Layla's getting this all by herself. Poppy wasn't even down there. There he is. Yeah, he's fighting now. Okay, hang on. That's good, Lay, right there. There you go, Lay. You got that all by yourself. All by yourself. That's a little baby. All right. Woohoo! Is that number 7?
No, this is 6.
No, I think that big one was 6. There, little guy. For Layla, got that one all by herself.
Can I touch?
Sure. You want to hold him?
Hold what's like there.
Yeah. It's up to you.
Is he sharp?
No, remember I told you about the fin? What? Yeah. But listen, you just these things can poke you a little bit, but look, you don't even have nothing to poke you. So put your hand around him like that.
I don't want to. I just want to touch him.
All right, we'll go ahead and touch him. You got to get used to him, yeah. But he won't hurt you. He's just slippery. Yep. You want to touch him? Okay.
Why are you so scared?
Oh, right, Layla, right, 4. Hold on. You see that? Oh, there he is. Go, Lay. Get him. Layla again. She's hot today. That's a good one, too. Another good one. You can get him. Get him, Lay. He's rip and drag.
Can I try one, Poppy?
Try what?
might be a
No,
monster
you gotta
again.
wait until they bite on it. Come on, Lay. You got him up there?
Might be a monster again.
Another big one? Oh, Groogie, here's yours. Here, Groogie, you get that one.
Oh, it's a monster.
Doubled up! Doubled up! Real, Groogie, real. There you go, Lay, I got him. Wow, look at that fat belly on that one.
Fat.
Groogie, you get that one. Doubled up.
It's both of them.
Yeah, no, that's him. Go ahead, Groogie, keep cranking. Keep cranking, buddy. Keep cranking.
I'm trying to get him. Oh, shoot. So close,
Keep going,
so close,
Groogie.
so close. Get him. He's right there. Fast, it's a big boy.
It's a big boy. There he is. You're okay. Big boy, Groogie, get him. Oh, yeah. He's fighting.
Did I get him?
Yeah.
Did you get him out of the water?
Keep coming. Keep cranking.
Help.
You got it.
I got it. You want me
Layla's
to
got
help?
you.
Oh!
There you go, yeah. All right. Okay, that's good. Let me lift him in.
Now I can get a prize.
Now you get a prize.
Me and Griffin can get a prize.
Layla, don't go near that.
Oh, he came off.
Oh no!
That was on the Glizzy. Finally, we got one on the Glizzy. That's all right, Groogie. It counts.
I'm still getting a prize.
Yes,
though.
it still counts.
I'm
That's
still
right.
getting a prize because I touched him.
Yes,
Look
you
how
did.
fat this one is.
Yeah, he's fat.
Kill him, right?
He is fat.
Grab me and oh jeez. Grab the basketball and throw it on his face.
No. Watch that, Lay. I gotta get him with a pliers. The big fat one. Look at the fat belly on him. He got a fat belly like Poppy. Is that number 9, I think?
No, this is 8.
Well, Groogie had one.
Yeah, it's 9.
9. The one at the boat we're gonna count for Griffin. All right.
Oh, he's a big boy.
All right. That's about it.
Yep.
You want to take a ride?
Yeah.
So
All
right,
fast. Go really fast.
Yeah, they want to go fast, so
So guys, yeah.
I'm glad they
so-
fished this long. I think it was
because I'm water splashing.
it was
all
more than
over.
I expected. So anyway,
So guys, look
good day.
in
And,
the comments.
I'll see y'all soon
and
when I'm
guys-
hunting some big guys. All right.
And guys, in the comments.
Take care.
And guys, in the comments, tell us if you caught more fish than us. We
There
caught
you go.
9.
Yep. And hit the. What do you say, Lay?
So
Subscribe.
hit the like button and subscribe and hit that notification.
Hit that
button.
notification bell. Take care, YouTube.